Yeah, first of all, we need to enter values. First one is x. Let us call it 5, and then second number is 10. Then let us, you see, the sum of 5 and 10 is now 15. Right? Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to show you how to develop a C++ program of adding two numbers as a professional by using professional tricks or concept, right? So now for us we need to make first of all a variable declaration, right? Variable declaration. It has int x, y, and sum. Then after this we need to make a statement that asks user to enter these values x and y, but as you see we didn't use using namespace ctd. That's why we're going to use a standard library ctd, this one with a scope resolution operator, then cout enter values. Then here we need to use also as end line or new line. Let us use also the professional one, this one, like this. Then semicolon here. Then also ctd cin, then x and y, like this. Then after, of course, we need now to make sum. Sum will be equal to x. Our sum will be equal to x plus y. Sum will be equal to x plus y, this one. And then we need now to display our sum by also using this standard library ctd, this one, then cout. We can say that the sum of them, can put space here like this, then x, we can also write like this. Let us put space here like this, then we can now write and here, then also let us put here another space, then y, right? Also we can put here space, then write just easy, this one easy, then sum here, right? To mean we write that the sum of x and y is then display sum and then end line. And remember, I just use one for a profession. That's why we need to use this one, then end line like this, then semicolon here, and then it turns 0, right? So let us make a compilation to check whether there is some errors or not. Let us check. You see there is no error. Let us run it to check an output now. Yeah, first of all we need to enter values. First one is x. Let us call it 5, and then second number is 10. Then let us, you see, the sum of 5 and 10 is now 15, right? So this is how you can develop a professional program to make summation of two numbers. So this is the end of our today's lesson. Please keep watching our lessons and remember to make subscribe like our videos and share it to your colleagues so that they can get full access to amazing lessons. So thank you. See you in next video.